If you want a simple and effective way to manage projects, Evernote can be a really powerful tool. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Evernote for project management step by step so you can organize notes, track tasks, store files, and keep everything in one place. Whether you're managing a personal project, a team workflow, or a client campaign, this setup can help you stay organized and save time. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is create a dedicated project notebook. Open Evernote, then click New Notebook. This is where you'll keep everything related to one project together. Give the notebook a clear project name, like website redesign, marketing campaign, product launch bag, or anything that matches your goal. Using one notebook per project makes it much easier to find your information later, and it keeps your workspace clean instead of mixing everything into one long list of notes. Once your project notebook is ready, the next step is to start creating project notes. Think of notes as the building blocks of your project. You can create separate notes for meeting notes, planning documents, research, checklists, and updates. A good tip here is to use clear note titles so you can quickly recognize what each note is for. For example, you might create notes called Project Plan, Team Meeting Notes, Project Resources, or Content Ideas. This makes your notebook easy to scan, especially when the project starts growing and you have a lot of information to manage. Now let's talk about tasks. Evernote lets you create tasks inside your notes, which is really useful for keeping your action items organized. As you write a note, add your tasks directly in the content so everything stays connected to the right project context. You can also assign due dates and reminders if a task needs to be completed by a certain time. Then, use the task section to track what still needs to be done across your project. This is especially helpful if you're juggling multiple deadlines and want a simple way to see what's urgent and what's already finished. After that, use tags to make your project easier to search and filter. Tags are one of the best ways to stay organized in Evernote because they let you group related notes without moving them around. For example, you can add tags like planning, in progress, urgent, or completed. You can also create tags for different phases, team members, or categories depending on how you work. If you need to find all your planning notes quickly, just click the tag and Evernote will show everything connected to that topic. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference when your project starts getting more complex. Next, make sure to store your project files directly in Evernote. Instead of hunting through downloads, email attachments, or cloud folders, you can keep important files attached right inside your notes. Click the Insert menu, then search for the file you want to add. You can attach PDFs, images, spreadsheets, and other documents that support your project. This is great for keeping briefs, screenshots, references, and reports all in one place. The goal is to build a central hub where everything connected to the project lives together so you can stay focused and avoid wasting time switching between apps. A smart way to use Evernote for project management is to combine all 5 of these pieces into one simple system. Use a notebook for the project, notes for the information, tasks for the action items, tags for organization, and attachments for the supporting files. When you do that, Evernote becomes more than just a note-taking app. It becomes a lightweight project management workspace that helps you plan, track, and complete work more efficiently. If you're managing a larger project, you can also create a repeatable structure. For example, start every new project notebook with a project plan note, a meeting notes note, a resources note, and a tasks note. That way, every project follows the same system, and you'll always know where to add information. Consistency is what makes project management actually work over time. The more repeatable your setup is, the easier it becomes to stay organized. And that's how to use Evernote for project management. You've learned how to create a project notebook, build notes, add tasks, organize with tags, and store project files in one place. Once you start using this structure, you'll probably notice how much easier it is to keep projects moving without losing important details. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.